Hi, my name is Vida Patil. I have spent the past decade a good chunk of time working with individuals on their goals, on their dreams, helping them figure out how to get to their dream goals. I work with a technical lead at NVIDIA. Today she is in a senior product management position. I work with C-level execs in reinventing themselves. I work with women who are distressed and coming out of bad relationships. This has been a pattern, and I have figured out how to go from point A to point B in a very systematic and a very friendly, community oriented environment. On the 11th of May, I'm hosting the Dreamlife Mastery Workshop. In this workshop, you will be exploring what is the purpose of your life, whether it is constant or keeps changing, how to map yourself towards your dream life. A person who has realized his purpose in life is super productive, super happy. If you're a person who's constantly overwhelmed, stressed out, who has Monday blues, this is the right workshop for you. Spend the 60 minutes and change your life. I'm going to be working with Reethu George, who has been a very successful coach with the women. Click the register button here in this post and spend those 60 minutes exploring what we have to say. When I asked a very important question to myself, what is the next step which will take me towards progress? 6 years ago, when I rewrote the map of my life, I think this is a question which everyone needs to ask ourselves.